Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we are checking out this multiple fast wireless charger, 7.5 watts for iPhone, 3-in-1 design, 2 USB ports. So let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. Alright, so this is it. Two USB ports on the side here. Wireless charging right on the top here. Power supply cable for this, and you get a manual. So it's very simple, nice sleek design. Power cable goes on the side here. So just like this. And now we plug this into the wall. All right, so we have it plugged in. Let's go ahead and see if it charged our wireless phone. All right, doesn't seem to be charging. Let's try the next one over. It's not charging. The next one over. It's not charging. Try sideways here. Check the connections. Alright guys, see you in a bit. We're gonna see what's going on. Alright guys, so I wanted to give an update. I took this apart. It was not working. It was not charging. Not even the USB ports were working. I personally took this apart, took the screws out, and realized that the connections were loose, so I had to do some resoldering. And now let's go ahead and see if this is going to charge now that we finished it. Yes. Okay, so our phone is charging on that one now. Let's try the next one over here. Okay, that's charging. And lift it up. All right, that one's charging now as well. So we just had an issue. I don't know, maybe that was from factory or shipping or something. So let's go ahead and retry the USB ports to make sure they're working again. So I don't think you guys will have that issue. I assume just from shipping or something. All right, so the USB port is working, and that USB port is working as well. So we are good to go. The whole thing is working. Overall, it's nice. I like it. We just had to fix it. That's not a problem for us. And again, I don't know why the connections inside were not making contact. So we just had to do some soldering and messing around with it. For us, that was no big deal. Don't know if it was just, maybe this one was defective or got bounced around. I mean, if we look at the packaging, something hit it pretty hard right there to bend it. So maybe it just got jarred around in shipping, but now it works and I like it.